This is the disassembly of the Sturmey-Archer automatic 2-speed. There are 3 versions of the hub. The rim brake version, the A2, the disc brake version, A2K, and the drum brake version, the A2D. Depending on the manufacturer OEM specification, inside the hub will be 2 versions. This is the low speed version with larger actuating weights, and this is the high speed version with thinner actuating weights. You will need a bench vise and clamp the axle on the wrench flats. Use a small screwdriver to remove the centrifugal shift weights E-clip. Then remove the weights Next, remove the springs. Remove the large E-clip. This should be replaced every time the hub is serviced. Next, a small silver washer in the actuator plate. Then the gear ring assembly with these 2 pins come off. The pins are separate and can fall out. Now turn the assembly over. Use a 17mm wrench and a 16mm cone wrench to remove the cone and lock nuts. Next, remove the ball ring and driver. The driver is easily separated from the ball ring by depressing the pawls. There is a spacer in the planet cage that needs to come out. And use snap ring pliers to remove the axle snap ring. And lift off the planet cage and driver adapter. And then you're done.